How to upload videos on YouTube from screen recorder. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos on YouTube from AZ screen recorder. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your screen recorder, and once you're here, you need to go ahead and find the video that you want to share it on your YouTube. Once you find your video, you can see the save option with an arrow over here. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that, and from here you will be able to see several options. You can share it to any of your social media handle, but here we want to share it to YouTube, so you need to simply go ahead and tap on YouTube over here. And once you do that, this will open up on your YouTube. From here, you can go ahead and add the captions that you want. And once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and tap on upload short. And since this is a short video, so it will be directly uploaded as short. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.